green, but then
Yes.
he started seeing blue after. And what was it? It was too long or something. It shifted.
Yeah.
Oh.
It like kind of shifted my mind to like in another position, which isn't good.
Oh, it shifted his mind to another position, he said.
Okay. Was it uncomfortable, Viggo? Or do you want to stop or change over?
Do you want to change, stop, or was it uncomfortable?
Well,
it's okay. No, I will play the other track. Now it's a little more lively, and again, but Adam. So when you start experiencing, do you want to close it or just let it go happen? We go. If you feel something, if you see something, do you want? You do not have to stop. I don't. You can give the feedback at the end. But if you don't want to continue, only you pull up your mask and I will stop.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Only,
right.
yeah. You can give the feedback at the end. I want you to fully experience as long as it is not uncomfortable. Okay?
Yeah, I think I think he was saying, he was saying that it started shifting him and he didn't like it.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
It might happen this one because the other people who listen to this next track, they all said they were out of the body.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Viggo, will you be uncomfortable? They knew they were somewhere in the room, but not in the body.
They were somewhere in the room, but not in the body.
So they traveled like the bird thing, where I traveled to my school as a bird.
Well, ask Raymond. He's asking if is it like the traveling, like the bird, where he was traveling to a school and stuff.
It could be that because what they said was they were somewhere in the room, but not in the body. That's what they said. Three of them said the same thing.
Oh, okay.
But they have no idea about the bird. I never told them to fly like a bird. Only Viggo knows that.
Oh.
But it will be out of the body.
Out of the body, this one, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Okay.
What you can do, Viggo, other people didn't do it. You control it. Once you know you are out of the body, you can fly somewhere you want to. You can go to another planet or to another place. You control it.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Good. Let's go. Go ahead then.
All right. You can go to Germany.
Oh.
Go to Munich. Go to your new school.
Or to go.
All right.
Do you still hear it with share screen? Yes. Yeah. Okay. Start again. Here
think Raymond turned it off.
Okay. We're finished.
Oh, are we done, Raymond?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, that was so short.
Yeah, that felt really short, but that one was so much fun.
It was better.
It was really good. Yeah, that one was very cool. It was very joyful. It was just like,
well, the other one was more.
Yeah, I saw a lot of light. I just saw light coming down and dancing and joy, and it was fantastic.
All I saw was red.
Red?
And
I saw red too. I saw red and yellow and warmth, like streaks of light, just like.
I saw tiny bit of blue at the start, but you know, it was only from like.
I didn't see any blue. You saw blue in the start?
Yeah, just a tiny bit.
Maybe before they started singing.
No, it was before that, like the second that it started.
Yeah, but it's the high notes, which really, it's whenever they hit the high notes are like.
So, did you go out of the body? Viggo?
I was standing in front of our house in the air.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I was standing in front of our house in the air.
Yeah.
On a sunny day.
I was in a computer.
You were in a computer?
Oh.
Which
this computer.
Oh, you were in the computer?
Yes.
Oh, okay. It was in the computer, but we were both out of the body. Yeah.
I was more like in a, like, because I was super small.
You were super small? I was weightless. I didn't have, gravity was not affecting me. Oh. That was a really good one, Raymond.
Okay, let's, in that case, I have another one. This is more lively, but it is also a repetition. Let me try this one, Viggo. Also, I want to give you another one. Okay, it is, okay. I like this very much. It makes me want to dance, but I can't. It's my favorite one.
Okay.
Ready? Okay. Here we go. Another one. Okay, share screen. Okay. Share. Right.
Om Mani Padme
That was a nice one. Ah.
Okay. Viggo, how did you like it?
It was A
B.
A medium.
It was a medium. I liked it. It made me travel. This was really a traveling and moving, and I was flying through valleys over forests, and I was seeing birds dancing over the water with the, no, it was incredible. I saw a whole group of
practically went through.
I went through all of China and half of Asia.
I thought, oh.
Yeah. It was really, really good. Viggo was a bit less. He was seeing more green. What else were you seeing?
A popsicle stick.
A popsicle stick.
And it was green.
A green popsicle. Was there a popsicle on the popsicle stick?
No.
Oh, just popsicle stick. Okay.
I don't know why. It just popped up.
You didn't see anything else?
Maybe the popsicle stick popped up because of the drum thingies. Chinese drums.
And when they were singing Hu Mani Hende Ho and all that, that was also it like gave it a whole other boost.
Level up.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Okay. Wait.
Sky Kingdom full of like Chinese stuff.
Well, tell that to Raymond.
It's okay.
I was thinking of a whole Chinese sky kingdom.
Yeah, a kingdom in the sky.
And it was Chinese.
A Chinese kingdom in the sky. What else? Keep going.
And then
keep going.
There were a lot of people outside our homes playing instruments.
Chandrani. Okay. Hello. Okay, we go. Okay. I will take it from downstairs. Okay. You can put it back. Okay. We go. Can you look at the screen? Share screen. Can you see the screen?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes.
We go. Can you? Now you have a lot of experience today. Ask the magic book. Choose a good file again from here. Can you see a good sound file?
We're just getting the book right now.
Okay. I put some chakra frequency, third eye. I think this one you said last time you gave this one. Yeah. We did this one. This chakra frequency.
Yeah. On the light.
Hey.
Just a minute. I want to make a change. Just a minute. There's one you already selected. It is already showing. Okay. Here is the new list. Okay. What do you?
Oh God. Now I have to find them.
I mean, you didn't go to work today.
He said with copter sound 2.
Oh, that one. This one? Yes. With copter sound 2? Okay. Would you like to try it? There is time. If you have time, Adam, I don't have a lesson after this. If you have the time, you can go continue.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Okay. I'll play that one then.
Yeah, we can stay for like another maybe 10, 15 minutes after, if you're okay.
Okay, we'll play this one then, the last one.
All right.
Do you hear?
Yes. Done this one. We have done this one.
It's a mixed. That's right. You listen to that beat,
Yeah.
but not with Om. Yes, okay, right.
Oh,
It's
no. It was with Om?
a mixture. It's a mixed sound. Yeah, you have heard that before. Okay, okay. In that case, let's look at another one.
Yeah, find another one.
Okay.
All right,
See.
we'll find another one for you.
Oh yeah, duh.
Okay. Viggo, can you see the screen? Okay. So I'll remove that one. Copter sound. Okay. Any other one?
We can't see the screen.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Share screen. Share screen. Okay. Here we are. Okay. Can Viggo, can you lift your book a little bit so that I can see you are consulting the book? Okay. Okay. Yes. Good. That's good. Yeah.
Oh, pineal gland, third eye chakra, and open your.
It's the from the bottom, pineal gland, third eye chakra, and opening this one.
Yeah.
This one, highlighted one.
Yes.
Pineal gland, third eye chakra, and opening your. Okay.
No.
Viggo, how do you see the selection when you consult your book? How does the message come to you? Yes.
It kind of does it by giving me the first like 2 words, and if there like is another one of the same first 2 words, it gives another word.
Did you hear, Raymond?
Could you repeat?
He said it gives him about 2 words, and it gives him about 2 words. The first 2 words, and then if he can't tell which one it is, because then it'll give him a 3rd word.
Oh, okay, interesting. Good. Okay, we'll play it and see how it is. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Here we are. Okay.
How's it?
Okay.
That one was very interesting.
Mm-hmm. Viggo has gone to sleep, I think.
We
No.
were going.
Almost.
What did you see? Almost, yeah.
Mhm.
What did you see, Viggo?
I told you.
Yeah, Viggo saw Star Wars.
Star
And
Wars.
yes,
Okay.
Star Wars. And it's funny. I saw through my third eye all the problems in my stomach, all the problems around the navel area,
Ah.
and past my way, like not from this past, but way past something that was there. It immediately transformed me into a certain time that I can't explain.
That's okay. But Adam, so from what you say, that soundtrack was had the most effect on you.
No, the most effect was the Hallelujah one.
Hallelujah. Okay.
That's
But
when I
this one was very personal because you have some problems in the naval area, and it was addressing that issue.
it was addressing that issue. Yeah.
Anyway, so it looks different. Soundtracks have different effects on the body. Yeah. So
Yeah.
Viggo, that's why we need a good selection, Viggo. Can you see? You see,
Yeah.
they have different effects. Yeah. That's an interesting discovery. Yeah, good.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
right. Now today is your Tuesday. So we
Yes.
meet again on Friday.
Sure. Yeah.
Friday,
Oh, no.
okay.
Yeah.
We could.
Okay. Hey, Raymond, I don't know if you saw my email. I haven't been paying attention whether I need to pay you or not. Can you check?
Just tell Anna, I have to, yes, you can pay, but I don't want her to pay through PayPal because I noticed only recently they are taking a huge commission out of that.
Oh,
With almost,
okay.
it's more than 20%.
Whoa. Wow. That's a
No, no,
lot.
no. For if you pay 600, they take something like $30.
Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah,
Because
that's yeah.
yeah, but
A lot.
there are so many other options. There are two other companies. I'm just trying to upload the identity documents. I will let you know once I finalize.
Okay.
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 We go good. Keep well. You want to say something? Yeah.
Maybe you could like switch to a smaller company because the smaller companies are usually better than the big ones.
So he's saying find a smaller company. He said they're better than the big ones.
Yeah, that's right. It's a smaller company. Yes. Yeah. The
Yeah.
PayPal is huge. They have 6 billion.
Oh yes, they're
So it's
huge.
too
Yeah.
big and too impersonal. You can't
Yes.
get through to customer service. It's all
Yeah.
automatic. It's
Yeah.
not very good.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly.
Good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. All
Okay.
right,
Cool.
we'll see you on Friday.
Yeah.
Okay,
We'll see you
bye.
on Friday.
Bye.
See you. Bye.
See you.